When parents decide to work their magic, how does it help create a family?
This is the second picture we got.
I'm Rob, and this is my husband, Steve.
We've been together for 19 years, and last year we adopted a sibling group of 6 kids from the foster care system.
With so many kids in foster care, many sibling groups are broken up because people just want to adopt the younger children. It really broke our hearts.
Our 6 kids are Carlos, Lupe, Maria, Selena, Nasa, and Max.
We saw their pictures and fell in love.
We knew that the kids needed to stay together. With so many kids, there's always something going on, and the laundry is non-stop. We try to preserve as much as possible though, so their clothes last a long time and can be handed down. We pre-treat stains with OxiClean Max Force Spray.
And recently we found OxiClean Dark Protect, which helps keep clothes dark and rich. We love it. Their clothes come out stain-free and they don't look faded.
Every child deserves a loving family and a place to call home and feel safe.
Life isn't perfect, but it's perfect for us.